A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rooms. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is Thursday, July 21, 2022, and we're at my Fidelity Net Benefits login screen, and we about to check out this GM401k and see what it do. It is secret code time. Close your eyes. All right, you can open them now. Man, oh man, this market is killing me. A couple of good days and then bad days. Good days, bad, 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 good. Then 4 more bad. But that's the way the stock market works. You're here on my page. You're here on my channel. You see my portfolio. Almost $1 million. $948,262.77. Every video I make is to encourage you. If you can hear and see somebody doing it, I believe you can do it. I am here to put money in your pockets, not take it away. At the end of this video, I will show you step by step how to do everything you see me doing in this video and to help you get something like this. All right, I do have a favor to ask. Did you know if you hit that subscribe, like, and share button on this video right now, like, do it now. Now. Everything I do is to help you achieve goals. I'm showing you my goals. My goal is to keep this number building. And even if you haven't started yet, I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, I am about to do some clicking. We are jumping into this GM 401k. And let's start talking about it. The balance as of yesterday, $81,257.01. What is my rate of return? How much money did I make or lose so far this year? I am down almost 20%. That is not good. 19.97. What does this mean in terms of dollars? Let's look. It means I am down $19,627.65. Let's go up to the top. Let's look at these investments. And guess what? I am going to make some investment changes. We are going to click right here on cumulative returns. And this is the column we like to look at, year-to-date YTD. And I'm in 2 investments. I got one that's doing pretty good because there's no negative sign here. This is the Conservative Income Fund. And I got one that's doing really bad, almost 7% down. And this is the BlackRock US Debt Index Fund. I do not like this fund. I am going to sell it. And I'm going to buy some more of this fund, the Conservative Income Fund. Let's open it up. And let's see what it's invested in. Top 10 holdings. Everything you see here are bonds. Treasury notes, that's another word for bond. United States Savings Bond, Series E. Everything here are bonds. It's a total of 2,726 different things in this fund. I do not have all my eggs in one basket. And before I start doing my selling and buying, I want to show you all the choices I have in this 401k. Now, your 401k, if you are not working at General Motors or if you didn't work at General Motors, you're going to see different stuff. But everything I'm clicking on applies to you. So what you see me click on, if you want to do what I do, even though you have a different 401k, just follow my clicks. We're going to click right here on cumulative total returns. And the column we want to look at again is YTD. And we're going to just scroll down And what I'm paying attention to is this column YTD, and I'm paying attention to the name of the funds that I have over here. So what I'm looking for and what I want to show you is that everything's negative. Losing, 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 except for one fund. And I will show you that. It's all the way down at the bottom too. They're trying to hide it from you. The best fund, the one that's positive, is at the bottom. And this is the conservative income fund. This is the fund where most of my money is. And I got a little bit in right here, the BlackRock US Debt Index. Let's take it up to the top. And then I'm going to do some selling and buying. So as you can see, my total is a little bit over $81,000 in this 401k. And I have a little bit over $1,100 in the BlackRock. But most of my money is up here and it's doing pretty well. Conservative income fund. That's where we're going. How do you do it? Let me show you. We're going up to the top. We're going to click on Change Investments. And we're talking about current investments. So I want to do exchange one investment. I want to go from the BlackRock to the conservative income fund. So A to B. Choose investments to sell. You always have to sell before you buy in your 401k. So we click on Start. And I want to sell the BlackRock US Debt Index. Click that. Discretionary, you always have to click this. And then it says amount to sell. I have a choice. I can put the amount in a percentage form or dollar form. I'm going to do percentage. And I want to do 100%, all of it. So now I'm going to hit continue. Now it's asking me choose investment to buy. Click on start. And here are all the different investments I can buy. So let's scroll down and we're going to find the conservative income fund. That's what I want. All right, here. Hit continue. All right, and here's a summary of what I'm doing. I'm selling the BlackRock and I'm buying the conservative income fund. And I can click right here on submit this exchange. Here's the confirmation number, so I know I'm good to go. That was so easy. I just showed you in a couple of clicks how to sell and buy a fund. All right, we are going up to summary because we're going to talk about where I am now to where I was 2 weeks ago. We're comparing this number, $81,257 and some change, to where I was 2 weeks ago. So we're at stocks and rentals, and all we got to do is find the last GM update. And on July 7th, I had $80,638.50. Bringing it back to today, the difference is $618.51 profit. I am happy to get it because as you can see, my rate of return for the year, I'm down almost 20%. So to make a couple of dollars in 2 weeks, that's a good thing. I am proof this is the way the stock market works. Nobody can make continuous videos every week showing that they win. It is just not possible. Anybody that makes only videos only when they win, I wouldn't follow them. I wouldn't stick around because they're not being realistic and they're going to set you up for disappointment. I don't set you up for disappointment. I set you up for reality. How can you get over $81,000 in your 401k? It starts with $1. That's what I started with. $1 turns into 2, 2 turns into 4, 4 goes into 8. If you are a long-term investor, you will win. I guarantee it. I'm leaving a link down below in the description. All you got to do is click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to take you right here. Start here to learn about your 401k. There are 10 easy steps. I'm going to fly through them right quick. Please click on the links. Do everything in the 10 steps and you will be on your journey to getting paid. Step number 1, you have to figure out what type of investor you are. That's the first thing you have to do. No one can tell you how to invest because you have to find out what type of investor you are. Are you conservative, balanced, or aggressive? Click right here. I show you everything to look at to determine what you are before you start investing. Number 2, I got some easy definitions. They're right here. These are all the definitions that I knew to get that $81,000 you saw. Number 3, I show you how to group all your investments in your 401k to meet your investment style: conservative, balanced, or aggressive. Number 4, what's the definition of cumulative total returns? I'm always talking about, click here, click on cumulative. We talk about the definition of number 4. Number 5, there are fees in your 401k. They love to hide the fees. I'll show you where they are. You don't want to pick anything with high fees. 6, average annual total return. What is it? We discuss it right here. 7, I peek inside a 401k. It's a lot of stuff in a 401k. I don't want you to get confused. I tell you what to look at. Everything else, ignore. Number 8, I show you how to contribute money from your paycheck into your 401k. That's the first step. You get that job, you get your check, you got to get the money into the 401k. Number 9, now that you got the money in your 401k, you got to get it inside your investments. You got to start picking what you want to invest in. Step number 10, this is where I show you how to sell and buy an investment. I did this earlier in the video, so you're already getting a peek at number 10. Get your money, man. That's what I do. That's what I prove. Let's close this video out. You know how I do it. I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. Everything I do it for you. There are no fees. There are no trickery. There's no okie doke here at Stocks and Rentals. I don't want your money. I'm showing you that I have a portfolio of over $950,000. Anybody trying to get money from you to help you learn, saying that they got your back, beware. I'm Raymond. Stocks and Rentals. I'm out. Peace.
The button. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push